Hello guys, I have a very good news to share with you all. We have recently launched our own Google Store or Google Play Store app which you can download for your academic needs from the Google Play Store. So it's a very good news for all. Like we have launched our websites in the earlier days and now recently we have our own app. So how you have to go for it? Go to the Play Store on your Android phone. In the search, you have to type ARJ classes. You should avoid the space and then you have to search it, and there you can see ARJ classes app. So just click on it and click on install. It takes time based upon the speed of your internet, and here you have the app. You can open it and register yourself on the app and start your learning. Thank you.